How to export video in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how to export video in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and you can follow the same procedure for PC and Mac. Then you have to just choose a video that you want to use. You have to click import and import the video from your folders, and then click this plus sign to add it to the track. And now you can just add the text, stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and you can choose to adjust by clicking this adjustment option. You can add text and audio as well. And then you can use the sound effects, the copyright-free music, the extracted audio, or the TikTok audio. And in the text, you have these options, the AI-generated text as well, or the auto captions. You can add anything that you want. Now, once you have edited the video completely, you simply have to click this export button on the top right corner. And once you click this option, now you can choose any folder that you want to save the video in by clicking this sign. And you can also choose the resolution, the bitrate, the codec, the format, and the frame rate. And once you choose these options, you simply have to click export and it's going to export the video. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.